Hello students, now today we are going to execute your addition of two 8-bit subtraction of two 8-bit number program. Okay, for doing execution, yesterday's class what we have studied, we have written the program for subtraction of two 8-bit numbers. In that program, first we have loaded the data in accumulator. Okay, we have written the program of subtraction of two 8-bit numbers by using memory locations. Okay, so memory location means again we have to load the data from our accumulator. Okay, because memory location means what I said you in the last class, that you can only execute the data from the memory location itself. Okay, now so what you have to do when you are in my previous class, again I have said you that in previous class what I have done, I have loaded first data in accumulator, then from accumulator we have transferred it to the some other register, that means B. Then second data we have loaded in next accumulator, then from memory location only. Then what we have done, after loading the data, we have subtracted both the datas, and after subtracting both the datas, what we have done, result will be automatically stored in your accumulator itself. Then your accumulator result will be again copied to where, to the memory location. Okay, so how it will be copied to the memory location? By using STA instruction, store instruction. Okay, now after this store instruction operation is over, then finally we have ended up with the program. Okay, now today we are going to execute the program. For executing the program, we have to first load one of the data directly in 88. We have written two memory locations in your program. Okay, one memory location we have chosen as 8850, and one we have chosen as 8851. Both the result, both the data 8850 and 8851 is having first data, second data. Both the data will be subtracted and the data will be restored in the location, that is 8860. Okay, result will be stored in the memory location 8860. You have to keep in your mind. Okay, now after storing the result, we have to get the confirmation whether it is executing or not. For getting the confirmation, what we have to do, first we have to type the program in your microprocessor by using this microprocessor kit. You can get the confirmation that your program is executing or not. So now we are going to start our execution of your program by using microprocessor kit. Okay, in that kit we will see how it will execute the program, whether we will get the subtraction operation or not, and we will change the operation, and we will see how it is working by giving different datas, to the memory location 8850, 8851, and we will see how it is executing the program. Okay, now after giving the data, we will get the confirmation whether the subtraction program is working or not. Okay, to get the confirmation of subtraction program, what you have to do, simply you have to execute the program. Okay, now we will start execution of your 8-bit number subtraction program. Okay, 8-bit subtraction program. Okay, we will execute now. Okay, for subtraction, what you have to do, same thing, like again and again I am repeating. One data 8850, one data 8851, then subtraction. After subtraction, result on 8860. You can give any other memory location also, it is your wish. I am not telling you to give the data on 8850, 8851, but when you are changing the memory location, you have to change the hex codes also, because LDA is 3-byte instruction, what I said. So after loading the code of LDA first instruction, instruction. Then next to memory location you have to change the address. If you are giving there 8850, you should give 50 first, then 88. If you are giving 8853 first, then 88 you have to give. So like that we can change the address of the memory location also. So now let us see the execution of our 8-bit subtraction program. Okay, now we will execute this program, subtraction of 8-bit numbers. You can see I have loaded the first number in 8850, then second number in 8851, then store result at 8860. So now what we will do, we will get the confirmation that whether it is executing or not. Okay, so now we will be oning this kit. Okay, power supply. As soon as it is on, as you all know that it's on now. Okay, now UPS means 88 UPS 85 means 8085 microprocessor it is. Okay, now we have to execute the program. Okay, so for executing the program, what we will do first you have to, okay, now first we have to press examine memory. Okay, now we have to load the program, examine memory. In this we have to load the program means we have to load memory location and machine codes. Okay, so first we are loading memory location 8000, then we will load this machine codes. Okay, this is your machine codes. Now I will be pressing examine memory. Okay, examine memory, reset, examine memory. Now we will load machine code. First examine memory 8000. Okay, 8000. Now you have to go for machine code. You should press this. What is your first code of the code? Machine code 3A. We will type here 3A. Okay, 3A. Okay, on 8000 we are typing. Then after 3A, next automatically it will increase to 8001. Okay, then 8001 means what is the code of 8001? It is nothing but 50 88 47 we have to load. Now 50. Okay, next we have to load, see, now to the 8002 we have to load what value? 8002 88. We will be loading now 88. Okay, next now 8003 we have to load 47, then 3A 51. Now we will be loading 47 47. Next, now after 47 3A 3A. Next on 5 location 51. Okay, next on 6 location you have to load again 88. Okay, next on 7 you have to load 90. Okay, next on 8 you have to load 32. Okay, then on 9 press next. Okay, on 9 you have to load 60. Okay, 9 you have to load 60. Then next you have to load, see, 008A. A means hexa, it will be changing to hexa. Then it will be like 88. Next it will be EF. Okay, on B till B we have loaded EF. EF means like end of your program. Okay, now after loading this, what is our task? We have to load the data address. Before that, once you will check whether you have entered the correct things or not previously. EF 88 60 32, then 90 88 51 3A. Okay, 47, then 88, then 50, then 3A. Okay, then we will go next. We are checking the codes now. Okay, till EF. Okay, A, then next B is nothing but EF. See, it has changed EF. Okay, 88, 16. Next B is like EF. Okay, then after that what we will do, now we will go for reset examine memory. Okay, and we have to enter the data. Now input we have to give 8850 and 8851. We have to give two data here, 8850 and 8851. Then result we have to see on which location, 8860. So what I have to do here I have to enter the values. Okay, on reset examine memory, and we have to enter the values. For entering the value, now 8850. Okay, now I am entering on 8850. I am entering first number 02. Okay, this number will be going as the second one. Okay, next I will be entering as 04. Okay, then you have to go for next like execution step. After entering, execute, go. Okay, go means it will go where, to 8000. Okay, it will go to 8000. Then again you should press execute. Executed. Okay, now what we have to do, now we have to execute the program. Execution program, we have to see the result here. Result is on which location, 8860. So we have to check it. Okay, once again, how to give the data, what I am telling, examine memory 8850, you will be giving 02, and next 8851 you will be giving 04. Execute, go. Okay, it will go to which location, starting address of the program, that is 8000 onwards. Go and execute the program from 8000 onwards. It is telling like that. Okay, so now it will go to 8000, then execute. You should press execute. Okay, next you should press reset examine memory, then 8860. Okay, what is our 60? See here, on 8860 what we have loaded, 8860 is nothing but our 8860 is nothing but the address of the result. So we can see the result at 8860. So now I have pressed 8860. For going to this beside, I should press this. Now we didn't got. Again we have to see, check the program. Examine memory 8000. Next, okay, it is like 3A. Next, reset examine memory, we have to enter the program once again, 8000. Next, again we have to enter 3A. Next 50. Next, then 88. Next, then 47. Next, then 3A. At 4 we are having 3A. Next, 5 we are having 51. Next, okay, at 6 we are having 88. Next, at 7 we are having 90. Okay, next we have to go for 32. Okay, next, then 60. Okay, next, then 88. Okay, then next EF. Okay, after giving the program, what you have to do, reset examine memory. Okay, we have to give the data now. Okay, data address is 8850 8851. 8850. Next 02 we are giving here. Next 04. Okay, after giving that you have to go for next, execute, go. Okay, it will go for next location 8000, starting address of the program. Where it has to go, execute go means it has to go for like starting address of the program. Execute go, execute it, reset, examine memory. We have to check the result now. Okay, on 8860. So we will be checking the result now on 8860. So reset, examine memory 8860. What is the data now? 02. Finally we got the result of subtraction of data, that is 02 minus 04. That is 04 minus 02 is nothing but 02 is the answer for your subtraction of 8-bit numbers. Okay, now why you are giving the smallest number on 8850 and biggest number on 8851? Because first number we are transferring it to B register and second number is in A, so it will subtract. First number is in B data will be subtracted with A data, so A data will be like second number. Okay, so we are giving small number on 8850 and big number on this. Okay, now we will do one more thing, that we will change the result now. Reset. Okay, reset, examine memory on 8850. I will give 03. Okay, and next I will give 06. Okay, and we will go execute go. Execute go means it will go to 8000. Okay, sorry, 8000. Execute means it will be executed. Okay, now you can see the result now. Now result data is 8860. Okay, you can see now. See now what we got the result 03. That means your result of subtraction of 03 minus 06, we got 03. Finally we got the confirmation that our subtraction program is working correctly, because here the execution of the program is going on correctly. Okay, now if you want you can give another data also. Examine memory 8850, you can change the data. 03 now I will give here 04. Okay, next I will give here 08. But first number, what you have to do here, the first number whatever you are giving on 8850, that number you have to give as small number compared to the second number which is on 8851. Why you have to give a small? Because here the first number is transferring to the B. Okay, and the second number is like will be in the A, so that's why we have to give the first number as small number. Okay, and second number on big number. Okay, second number will be like it will be in accumulator, so it will subtract B from accumulator. Okay, so first number should be like small and first second number should be big, because second number is in accumulator itself, so you have to subtract. So now I have given 8850, I have given 4, and I have 8851, I have given 51. I have to give some other number, I will give 8. Okay, and this I have given 4. Here I have to give, here I will be giving 08. Okay, I have given. Now I will execute go. It will go to 8000. Okay, then execute it. Okay, then I have to see the result on 88. Reset, examine memory. Okay, 8860. Next 4. Compulsory like this. By we got the data. What is our result? Like 04, obviously, because our data is what our data is 04 and 08. Okay, so it will be minusing b with a, so a minus b it will do. So in b we have to give small number, which is the first number, and in a we have to give big number, which is the second number. By this we got the confirmation that subtraction of 8-bit number is executing, and the program which we have written for subtraction of 8-bit number is completely correct. So finally we got the result. On 8860 we got 4, or if you want you can give any other data on 8860. 8860 is the final result location for our memory. So finally we got 8860, it is nothing but 4. Whatever data you will give, it will be executing in this way. By this we have completed our subtraction.